A warm welcome. Thank you very much. And butterflies are the ambassador of the nature. I mean, what I want to say is, wherever you find a good habitat, wherever you find a good butterflies, make sure that there will be a good amount of couple of couple types of trees. Number one is host plant, and number one is nectar plant. So we'll begin with the things. Now, these are the tiny eggs which you can see on the screen. And the thing is, there is a one famous question: पहले मुर्गी या पहले अंडा? So for me, solution is मुर्गी देती हुई अंडा. तो सामने आप देख रहे हो the butterflies which egg laying on a specific plant which is called as Pilu Priya. That miswak is the tree, and the name of the butterfly is small Salman Arab. Now you will see important thing now. Can you see? Can you hear a song? नए रूप की नई अदा हम देखा करेंगे पल पल में. Is this audible to you, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So why I have chosen this song is because butterfly is the only creature. I mean, one of the few creature, not the only, which actually transform in many phases. Like the first phase is begin from the egg. Now what happens is after egg there is a caterpillar. You can see a caterpillar. This is a tree of leaves called as Stretchisarfa, or you can in Marathi it is called as Rui. And on Rui you can see this caterpillar. Caterpillar is eating these leaves, and after leaves, I mean these are the stages of butterflies. And first of all, egg, then caterpillar, then pupa, and after pupa, a butterfly arises, and that is the नए रूप की नई अदा हम पल पल देखा करेंगे. And that is why the reason for having this particular song. Now, my dear friends, important aspect of butterflies are there are 1500 plus butterflies available in Indian continent, out of which we can find 1320 species in India. The most beautiful and big butterfly is southern birdwing, which is having a wingspan of 195 millimeter. That is as good as this much, and as good as you can see a wingspan of 195 means a small bird. Now, how actually butterfly arises, emerges from the pupa? That is the interesting part. You will see this now. And this is the most vulnerable stage in butterfly's life. Friends, as you can see, when the butterfly emerges from the pupa, the wings are pretty wet, and it want to get it dry. Hence, it uses the ground clearance, number one. And the second and important aspect is uh, these are the stage. I mean, you can see this in jungle with naked eyes even, but the observation is very much important. I have received this video from one of my friend, but I have seen several. When I had visited a place called as Nagla Jungle, the earlier photograph which I have taken, and I was there for more than 1 hour in the jungle, and I saw this. I'm talking about this picture, and this picture is of Nawab. Now we will move further, and we will go. We can have a different habits of butterflies. The number one, I earlier explained you, there are a couple of uh, plants required for butterflies. Number one plant is a host plant, and number two plant is nectaring plant. Now we'll discuss about nectar plant. What do you mean by nectar plant? It is very simple. The bush or the tree which has a flower and having a beautiful nectar in it is called as nectaring plant. Now, these are the butterflies which you can see. These are the forest, which we call it as jungly flower, for deep flower, called as Leah indica. And this butterfly is called as cornelian. The upper side, I have given a Marathi name as well. And these are the few plants, and Dr. Mansi Joshi were discussing, she has while introducing, she told me regarding the butterfly which I have discovered, and this is what the butterfly is: blue glassy tiger, and these all things are nectaring, and these are the taking nectars out of fish, because the simple reason is they don't have mouth. तुम्हारी मेरी जैसे वो बातें नहीं कर सकते, पिज्जा नहीं खा सकते, पानी पूरी नहीं खा सकते, वड़ा पाव नहीं खा सकते, सब्जी भाजी जो आपको बहुत पसंद नहीं है वो भी नहीं खा सकते. तो only thing is they can have a liquid diet, and these are the things, and with the help of proboscis butterflies takes their diet. Okay, and now the important aspect, तो उनको एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है? अगर हमने 3-4 दिन खाना नहीं खाया, इफ वी आर ऑन, सपोज वी आर ऑन अ फास्ट, तो हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता है, हमें एनर्जेटिक नहीं लगता है. दैट इज बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव पावर इन आवर साइड. सो इनसाइड पावर आने के लिए, इनसाइड शक्ति आने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? तो हमें खाना खाना चाहिए. लेकिन बटरफ्लाइज को, एज आई टोल्ड, उनको माउथ नहीं है. दे डोंट हैव अ माउथ, दे हैव ओनली प्रोबोसिस. दे कैन हैव ओनली proboscis through which they can have a liquid diet. So उनको एनर्जी कहाँ से आएगी? So they will gain energy through basking. Basking means what? आपने कभी धूप में देखा होगा that butterflies wing फैला के बैठे हुए रहते हैं. That is their energy gaining. See, these are the butterflies which you can see on your screen. वो पूरी एनर्जी जनरेट करते. देर आर स्केली विंग्स. द थिंग इज दिस butterfly, the scientific name or the scientific version is called as Lepidopetra. Lepid means scaly and Petra means wings. The scaly wings जिनको रहते हैं, that is called as Lepidopetra, and these are the Lepidopetra butterflies, and these are the energy gainers. Now इसमें the solar panel is discovered from butterflies. This is one of the important discovery. And now what you can see in this picture is darker is the shade of a color, more energy gaining will take place, number one, and very within a 15-20 minutes का basking उनके लिए काफी हो जाता है. That is, if they are there for 15 or 20 minutes in such what we call it as sunrise, and in sunshine, they can have this much for 15-20 minutes of basking. That is enough for them. Now these are the few beautiful butterflies which I have shotted in Tungareshwar. Tungareshwar is very near to, I mean, it is on Ahmedabad highway. Why I'm mentioning the location is because there might be obvious question that, sir, you told us about the butterflies, but where we can find? So these are the place where you can find. And of course, to have a such photograph, lot of patience we require, and of course the study of habitat. I mean, you will never find this picture that butterfly सरळ आलं आणि बसलं आणि लगेच wing open केले. No, because like सपोज आपल्यावरती कोणीतरी चिडलं, आपल्या घरातलं एखादी व्यक्ती, तर पहिल्यांदा त्याचं नाक लाल होतं आणि मग काहीतरी डोळ्यांची हालचाल होते, अँड देन वी एक्सप्रेस अवर अँगर. दिस इज हाऊ, आय मीन, वन कॅन कोरिलेट की नाही बाबा आता आई चिडलेली आहे किंवा वडील चिडलेले आहेत किंवा भाऊ चिडलेला आहे. So same thing happens with butterflies. Butterflies will never come and sit and open their wings for basking. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ते जागेची जायजा सगळी घेतं. दे विल सी व्हॉट्स अराउंड, अँड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे विल मेक शुअर दॅट आपल्यावरती कोणाचं काही प्रे वगैरे आपल्या आजूबाजूला नाही आहेत ना, हे सगळं ते माहिती घेणार. And once they find it is comfortable, then and then only they will open the wing again. They will not open immediately. First of all, they will open for 10 degree, then close, then 20, and rhythmically they will open. And once they find adequate energy, adequate sunshine, they will flew away. So this is how the thing is. Now one of the forwarded video, I'm again showing it for you. The butterfly is a creature which has got very limited life of 15 days to 3.5 months. But during this short lifespan, it not only lives for itself as a mindfulness, but it provides a joy. And that is the reason a butterfly has got a tremendous value as far as mind and soul is concerned. Many more culture follows the butterflies rigorously. How, I'll tell you later. One of the important aspect of butterfly is courtship. Now I will move a little further. See, butterfly cannot hear. Butterfly can see. A very beautiful eyes that we will see later, but they don't have ears, so they cannot see. But the whole, as I again told you that there is no mouth, so they cannot talk. So no ears, so they cannot hear. Now, obvious question will come in your mind that how then they will be having a communication. Friends, they are having a communication of chemical, that is pheromonal communication. When they have adequate mud puddling, that is another phenomena, another thing. And after that, when they have adequate minerals in them, so this chemical communication is going on. Now I will explain what is a chemical communication. As I told you, there is no mouth, there are no ears. Then how a male member or a female member will communicate a butterfly that me ithe ahe. So for existence they provide a chemical in the air. अँड ते जे नर असतात ते त्या मादीचं ते स्पेसिफिक फ्रेग्रन्स त्या केमिकलचा मागोवा घेत कायम असतात. द मुमेंट दे फाइंड अ केमिकल फिरोमोन इन एअर, त्याच्यावर ते इमिडिएटली मादीचा पाठलाग सुरू करतात. अँड दिस इज हाऊ अ कोर्टशिप टेक्स प्लेस. नाव वेन मेल अँड फिमेल ज्या वेळेला ते एकत्र येतात, सो बिफोर मेटिंग female always try to see that how the male is healthy enough. I mean the sperms of the male हे एवढे स्ट्रॉंग इनफ पाहिजेत की पुढची जी त्यांची पिढी होणार आहे त्या पिढी करता तेवढे ते स्ट्रॉंग इनफ पाहिजेत, तेवढे सस्टेनेबल पाहिजेत. बिकॉज त्यांना पुढे वंश वाढवायचा असतो, ही जबाबदारी असते. And for that purpose this courtship is taking place. Now how the courtship is taking place, a beautiful video of mine you can see right now. ते दोघ जण एकमेकांना आजमावतायत आणि त्याच्यामध्ये पहिल्यांदा मेल फिमेल एक डिमार्केशन झालं. त्यांना लक्षात आलं की समोरचा फिमेल आहे आणि मेल लक्षात आलं की समोरची फिमेल आहे. मग ते केमिकल ऑलरेडी त्यांनी सोडलेलं असतं. दॅट केमिकल कम्युनिकेशन, केमिकल सिग्नलिंग इज मीन्स व्हॉट, दॅट फॉर अ मेटिंग मी तयार आहे असं मेल सांगत असतो, फिमेल सांगत असते. आणि मग त्यावेळेला ती फिमेल जाणवून घेत असते की ह्या मेल मध्ये प्रजनन क्षमता किती आहे, आणि त्याच्याकरता मग ती त्याला भोवती फेऱ्या मारायला लावते, ती लांब पळते, मग मेल तिचा पाठलाग करतो. हे जंगलभर चाललेलं असतं आणि त्याला एक रिदमिक फ्लाइंग असतं, अतिशय बघण्यासारखं असतं. वेन एव्हर वी गो इन अ डीप फॉरेस्ट, आय मीन अ फॉरेस्ट इन मेघालया, फॉरेस्ट इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश, त्याच्यामध्ये आम्हाला एकतरी कोर्टशिप दिसतेच. अँड बिलीव्ह मी, वेन एव्हर वी सी कोर्टशिप, आम्ही आमचे कॅमेरे आणि आमच्याकडे असलेले ट्रायपॉड आणि सगळ्या गोष्टी आम्ही ठेवून देतो आणि आम्ही फक्त आईजने ती कोर्टशिप बघायचा आनंद घेतो. बट in jungle, I mean, the number one is difficult. Number two, it's जो आनंद बघण्यामध्ये डोळ्यामध्ये आहे ना, त्यांची रिदमिक हालचाल आणि एकमेकांच्या भोवती ते गिरक्या घेत फिरतात, अँड हाऊ द फिमेल आजूबाजूला, इन अदर वर्ड्स हाऊ नखरे करती है वो, एंड मेल उसको मनाने के लिए भागता है यहाँ वहां से. Friends, it is everywhere same, whether it is a mankind or animal or creatures, it is everywhere, it is same. And that is the reason, and the important reason behind this, the scientific reason behind this is, uh, after a mating, male and female do not have any chances to rejuvenate the things or rebuild the things. That is because एक बार egg laying हो गया. It is not like that के बच्चों को बड़ा करने के लिए जैसे पंछी आके बैठते हैं egg पे, तो such kind of things is never happen in butterflies, बिकॉज उसमें वो अंड्याला उबवणं वगैरे हे प्रकार याच्यामध्ये नसतात. And so they have to take utmost care before the things, and that is the reason. So the scientific reason behind this is utmost care taking. Now mud puddling, what is a mud puddling? uh, Before we'll go what is a mud puddling, I would like to show one video for one first photograph. This much butterflies I have shot this in Yeur, around 2014, I suppose. There were multiple one kind of butterflies, and so these are the again, this is also a spot hotel in the month of March, February, March. These kind of butterflies are active, and I have shot this in SGNP, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Now see a video from Thailand. I had been to Thailand exclusively for butterflies. एवढ्या मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये ही फुलपाखरं आहेत आणि ती एकाच जमिनीच्या पॅच वरती, डॅम पॅच वरती ते येतात. दे कम देअर टू हॅव अ नेक्टर. व्हॉट डू यू मीन बाय नेक्टर देन? आय विल एक्सप्लेन. सी, ज्या वेळेला फुलांमधलं नेक्टर घेत असतात, सो दॅट नेक्टर इज नॉट सफिशियंट फॉर रिप्रोडक्शन of in the butterflies, because they need a certain minerals like nitrogen, like salt from the, and phosphate, and like such many. And these you found always in the form of in jungle, आणि ते मड पडलिंग म्हणजे जमिनीमधले क्षार ते शोषत असतात. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज मड पडलिंग. पडलिंग मीन्स टेकिंग फ्रॉम द मड. सो वेअर एव्हर डॅम पॅचेस, पण सगळ्या डॅम पॅचेसच्या ठिकाणी असं असतं का? नो. फ्रॉम द जंगल ज्या वेळेला त्या नद्या वाहत येतात, त्या नद्या वाहत येत असताना बऱ्याच प्राण्यांचे मलमूत्र त्याच्यामध्ये मिसळलेले असतात, आणि त्याच्यामधनं त्यांना सॉल्ट मिळत असतं, त्याच्यामधनं त्यांना फॉस्फेट मिळत असतं, त्याच्यामधनं त्यांना फॉस्फरस मिळत असतो. आणि ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी जमिनीमध्ये ज्या ठिकाणी द्रवरूप स्वरूपात असतात, लिक्विड फॉर्म मध्ये असतात, त्यावेळेला ते घेत असतात. अँड वेअर एव्हर सच रिच जंगल इन द rich, what we call it as land, soil is there you find a maximum butterflies. Believe me, whole northeast, I repeat, whole northeast is full of such beautiful host plant, nectar plant, as well as rich soil. Pradhan Modi ji has already publicly announced that हर किसी ने एक बार minimum नॉर्थ ईस्ट करना चाहिए. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द रीजन, बिकॉज देर आर रिच बायोडाइवर्सिटी ऑफ flora and fauna, butterflies, insects, other insects, birds, mammals, many things are there. So this kind of a thing is called as mud puddling. And now we will go to mating. So after mud puddling, they uh, gather a specific point which is called as coupe, and such coupe they will in capsule form they will store this phosphorus salt in their body, and while mating ते फिमेलला ते ऍक्च्युली पास ऑन करतात अँड देन फिमेल त्याच्यातनं स्पर्म्स आपल्या एग मध्ये सोडते अँड शी ले द एग्स विदाउट मड पडलिंग. कारण ह्या मड पडलिंगला फिमेल तिकडे फारशी ऍक्टिव्ह असू शकत नाही. दॅट इज बिकॉज हे मेलचं काम असतं. आणि ह्या मेल स्वतःकडे आले की मग ह्याची जाहिरात मेल करतात की आय हॅव गॉट दिस मच डिफरंट डिफरंट काइंड ऑफ मिनरल्स विथ मी. Like again, I would like to correlate this fact with जसं सुदृढ शरीर पुरुषांचं असतं ते म्हणजे चांगले डोले शोलेवाली माणसं स्पेसिफिकली स्त्रियांना आकर्षित करतात असं समजलं जातं. सेम थिंग हॅपन्स इन बटरफ्लाईज, पण बटरफ्लाईज वाले काही व्यायाम करत नाही बटरफ्लाईज मध्ये. सो त्यांच्याकडे मात्र मग चांगल्या प्रकारचे मिनरल्स ज्यांच्याकडे असतील त्या नरांना भरपूर मागणी असते आणि मग ते नर स्वतःकडे ती स्टोअर करतात. अँड वेन दे स्टोअर द दिस थिंग ते एक केमिकल फिरोमोन सोडत असतात की आय हॅव गॉट दिस मच अँपल केमिकल्स अँपल मिनरल्स विथ मी. आणि मग माद्यांना ते कळल्यानंतर मग माद्या नरांच्या मागे देखील लागतात. सो दीज आर द ऍक्च्युअल मेटिंग फोटोग्राफ्स. नाव यू विल सी ऍक्च्युअल जे मी तुम्हाला आता म्हणालो होतो की ऍक्च्युअल ज्या वेळेला कुप्या मादीकडनं नराला पास ऑन केले जातात. One of the important aspect, we will move further now.